There has been cases of women losing their lives in Airbnbs lately, and it goes back to SHAFFIE WERU being fired for warning women not to follow through with this invitation.
We're having a conversation around Eunice, the 20-year-old lady who last year found a date on Facebook, went on a first date, and after that, she couldn't be able to, she became immobile. Yes, she's still limping and because apparently this man she found on Facebook invited her to a building in the CBD. They were having a date on the 12th floor. And guess what happened?
What happened?
The guy tried to make moves like Jaguar.
Netflix and chill.
And then guess kidogo man, she was like, yo, I'm not doing this, I'm not about this. The guy pushed her over
the 12th floor.
Wow. And now she's a cripple.
Damn,
and I'm calling on all the ladies. This is 2021 with the pandemic and all the problems that we're facing.
What are you telling the ladies,
I'm telling the ladies, you guys need to play hard to get. You need to be unavailable. You cannot be the Chileans who have just been called to go drink gin and then you leave 40 kilometers away. Unatoka Thika.
Wacha hizo.
Unajileta kileleshwa.
Situmetubafea.
Ama unatoka Buru. Unajikuta
Unajipata Kitengela. Mountain View.
A place you've never even been.
Shaffie
see a stranger.
I think he was telling the truth, which was a hard pill to swallow back then. In 2021, SHAFFIE WERU got fired and faced backlash for talking about women issues that now seem relevant. Vin Tomore says, so sad women are promoting a hashtag of stop killing women today. They had a chance when SHAFFIE WERU warned them from Homebo's radio. He got fired for the remarks. Life versus reality. DP wrote, let's appreciate SHAFFIE WERU. He warned them, stop killing women. Edgar Obare wrote, netizens called for the validation of SHAFFIE WERU, who faced backlash and dismissed from Homebo's radio due to controversial remarks he made cautioning women against trusting men. Dukumtambo wrote, SHAFFIE WERU was right. Our women are the cause of this femicide. Even the CCTV installation at Airbnb won't help. WERU and the entire crew, including DJ Joe Mfalme, was sacked in 2021 from Homebo's radio for warning ladies not to be too much available, especially when asked out by strangers. Most ladies, especially feminists, supported the sacking. It's now barely 3 years later, and that hasn't aged well. In 1 week, 2 ladies have been killed in Airbnb by strangers, plus many other victims narrating their experiences in BNBs. An apology to SHAFFIE and his team is due, and it should be louder than the backlash they got. And you should also learn not to play gender cards on serious issues. Have Anonymous wrote, an apology to SHAFFIE WERU and crew should be louder than the backlash they received. The Airbnb menace will end if you stop playing gender cards on the issue and be responsible. George T. wrote, this country owes SHAFFIE WERU an apology when he spoke about the issue of women being readily available. The feminist orchestrated his downfall. Women crucified him for telling them the hard truth. Nowadays, we are introduced to new murder victims at Airbnb every damn weekend. SHAFFIE WERU's only crime was telling the modern women to take some accountability for their part in facilitating this problem. Miss Mandy said some nasty shit the other day and got away with it. Since women don't like SHAFFIE's theory, they're now experiencing practical at Airbnb.